Hi guys, today I will show you how you shave the beard properly through a razor. We're gonna do the hot towel shave and I will show you how you do it in a good and nice way. First thing we're gonna do, you pick any shaving gel you have, doesn't matter which brand, any shaving gel, and you put it on the customer beard and you just try to do like sort of massage on the hair. Shaving gel just to get inside the skin, like make the skin as soft as you can. You don't need to take like long time to do it, just like a few seconds or even 1 minute, more than enough. Next step, you get your hot towel and you put it on the customer face and you leave it for minutes maximum. This just like make the skins more soft and make it easy for yourself. So when you do the process of the shave, save the time by when you shave it and make it easier for the customers. He's not gonna get any rash or any issues on the face. Just leave the hot towel on the customer face, and by the time you just prepare the razor, everything will be ready to get rid of the hot towel. Now you take the hot towel off. After the shaving gel, I like to use cream. So any cream, like you don't need to go with any brand. Some brands like better than another. Ask your customer always to put the lips down, okay, and just like cover all the beard. This make it easy for you, like to brush it. Now to make it easy for yourself, turn the customer face like that way, and what I can do, I will shave this side up to down, all the side up to down, and I will leave the goatee to the end. And after that, I'm gonna go to the another side and I will do the same and I will leave the goatee. I will show you how you leave the goatee. The goatee is like the most important thing and the most hard part with the shave. So I do start with the easiest one. Don't press too hard with your razor. Always follow the direction of the customer hair, so that his hair actually grows to down. So what I'm gonna do up to down. If his hair is goes opposite, I have to go with the same direction. Otherwise I'm gonna make it hard for myself and I'm gonna cause him some redness on the skin. So the same direction of the hair. And also leave your hand as soft as you can. Don't press too hard on the skin because you're gonna cut him. See, this part is the easiest part. And now I'm gonna go to the another side. Same thing, up to down. Easy and soft. Now we get the most important part, which is the goatee. How am I gonna shave it? I will shave it this way, from the left to the right. And I will come again from this side, I will shave it from the right to the left. So you shave everything from up to down from here, but from the mustache and the goatee, you shave it right to left and left to right, this way. Okay, that's how I do it. See, nice and easy. Always I have two brands of the blades, one to the everyday job, which is just to clean the edges, and one to shave the beard. This one I use it for shaving the beard, which is a bit expensive than another, but it does a good job. Here I could use up to down. There's no rules with the barbering actually. because I thought like every customer has a different direction of the hair, so you just like, I give you the big picture and you choose your scales after. So now for the mustache, because you know, like I can't get it like from this way, so what I can do, I'll hold my customer nose like that and I will shave it up to down. See? Now next step, I'm gonna use the cold towel. I have my fridge. I put the cold towel here, which is after the shave. After I use the hot towel like make the face more soft, and the cold towel to just close the pores again. Now the end you put some cologne just to sanitize and disinfected everything. Happy?
Very happy. Thank you, Barber.
Where's your thumbs up? Show me your thumbs up.
Amazing.
Thanks so much.
Amazing. That's really good.
Thanks a lot.
First choice barber.